Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can delete topics right here in this Google Classroom here. Right, first you want to go to the classwork. Now, when you go to the classwork, if you notice right up here, it's all topics, and if you scroll, these are what you see. Right, so definitely want to delete these topic right here. First thing you wanted to do, you notice right in line here. To the right, you notice the three little dots. So when I click on it, what you will see right here, rename is a delete, copy link, and it's a move down. So I want to click on delete. Now when you click on delete, you say right here, the post with topic will be also deleted, right? So I'm going to click on delete and just the same. So I'm going to do the same thing for this one. Click again. Notice right up here, I click on delete. Definitely. So this is how you actually delete right here in Google Classroom. So definitely you create a topic, I want to delete it. That's exactly how you actually delete it. So thanks for watching.